Alright guys, we're here in Oceanside, New York, and we got the call for a heavy smell and also a leak. So sure enough, you guys can see, and when we're talking about the smell, we're talking about oil, because in this case, we're working on oil burner. So guys, it's pretty straightforward. They restarted cleaning it up. You see this big stain. So that really indicates to me the leak is somewhere around here. And sure enough, it is here. Because right here, to have an oil canister, and that's where it's leaking. So what happens is sometimes you get moisture or water inside mixed with the oil. And of course, oil and water separates. In due time, as you guys know, or if you don't know, water creates rust and starts deteriorating. So in this case, it started deteriorating the bottom of the canister. And sure enough, it ruptured and created a leak. You guys can take a look. So it's off now. I'm going to open it up. And if you can see it, it's dripping over here. It's a little hard to see, but right here in the back of the canister is a constant drip, which tells me right away that the canister is shot. So guys, sometimes jobs are easy, sometimes jobs are more complicated. In this case, it's pretty straightforward, but oil does make a mess and they don't have no hot water and it stinks. So they call it with the boiler man. That's what we're going to do. We're going to fix the problem. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you what it is to replace an oil canister. Stay tuned. Wepa!